everyone, this is Kevin the Entrepreneur. Welcome to my media and vlogging channel. And today's video is kind of a surprise video. I'd always intended to make a video like this, but kind of been dragging my feet on it. And with the recent surprise drop of a trailer for a Folklore concert documentary on Disney Plus, which will probably be streaming today here on this Thanksgiving holiday, I figured it would be a good time to actually look at the unique CD release strategy of Taylor Swift's Folklore. Because here's the thing, Folklore was kind of unique for Taylor Swift in a few ways. She recorded the album in secret, which was kind of a first for her. She actually predominantly released it digitally. It dropped on Spotify first with exclusive images if you listen to it on the Spotify app. And, you know, that was just something that she said she was never going to do. And of course, she recorded it during the pandemic, probably because she was bored, but it was a great album. It was probably one of her best albums. And here's the thing, she did release it on CD, but she didn't release it just on CD. She released it on CD with 8 covers. And so let's take a moment to actually look at all 8 of these covers, because like a major Swiftie, I actually bought all of these on CD, and I figure not a lot of people will. So let's kind of take a moment and look at it together. Now, I don't know 100% how we're going to do this, because there's not a lot of space here and there's actually a lot of CDs, but we're going to do our best. So first of all, let's look at the official album cover. This one, you'll notice, has the Taylor Swift's Folklore title on it, and that's because this is the official cover for, you know, the album. This is the one that you're going to be seeing on Wikipedia. This is the one you're going to see on Amazon. This is the one you're going to see on iTunes. This is the official cover. It's of Taylor Swift in the woods. Oh, actually, pretty much all these are her in the woods. And on the back, you can see, well, the back of her head, you know, with unique, cute little hairstyle. So that's the official album release. However, like I said, we have lots of them. Another album she did was with this one, where you can see her quite clearly. She's looking at the camera, and they went the extra step. It wasn't just the front, it was the back. Here she is sitting on a rock, so that's kind of neat. And then you have a sideway view of her, with her standing next to a tree on a little dirt mound. And you see, I'm already like running out of room here, but I think I got something figured out. Then you have her, well, running in, I don't know if that's a field, but at least tall grass. And then she's walking on something. Can I get it there without it getting too out of focus? Yes, stay there, stay there. And now this is a field. And she's actually standing in the field. So, and then on the back, she's looking at the sky. That's a hare. That's not part of the album cover. Let's put this one here. See, this is problem. It's kind of hard to just, we'll go through them all again. We have a cover of her sitting in the fields, and on the back she's walking down a dirt road, so put that there. Another one where she's in the field, but she's also closer to trees, so on the back she's in the woods. So, and then we have this underview shot looking towards the sky, and she's looking up in the sky in the woods. And then, for I guess kicks and giggles, they decided to actually release this thing on cassette. So this is the cassette, and I mean, I bought it just because, you know, it's a new album on cassette. That's pretty rare, and it's actually a blue cassette, so this is feels like a very Taylor Swift item. Now, another thing about this is that she also sold all of these albums, all these different designs, on vinyl. I am not going to buy the vinyls as well. I'm sorry. I stretched it as it was with the cassette. But, you know, as you can see, these are all very nice covers. Any one of them would have been a great official cover. I think that was a good choice. But if you want my personal favorite, I think it's this one. There's something about this one that I really do like. Now, there is one thing that I do want to add about all these covers, no matter which one it is, with the exception of maybe that one. These all kind of suggest a much darker and creepier album than you expect. Like, it almost looks like you're buying something gothic with the black and white and just, the blank stares in most of them. You have the parental advisory stickers, of course, and everything in the wood. It looks almost kind of gothic, but the album's not like that at all. It's actually folksish music with a hint of country, which she hasn't really done in a long time. So let's look at these one more time. We've got this one, this one, this one, which is my personal preference. Got this one for running. Another one. And then finally, the most common one. Now, you know how far they went to make sure each of these CDs were unique? Even the side has different spines. Like, they went out of the way. Now, I have independently confirmed, because you'll notice none of these are open. I didn't buy these to listen to them. I bought these to collect them, and I didn't need to open them because every album I bought came with a digital download, so I have, 17 more times I can download this on the official Taylor Swift website. It was really quite crazy. But I have confirmed that the booklets do have the same pictures and lyrics and everything like that. So this was just like a very, interesting thing to do. Because like I said, it was originally a digital release, but then they went and released all these different covers. So I guess they really knew that fans of physical media like me would probably buy them all. So yeah, there's that. Looking forward to watching the documentary on Disney+. And that is our video. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, it is Thanksgiving Day, so you know what? I hope you're all staying safe out there, eating turkey. If you are with family members, hopefully you're all being safe doing so. It's a crazy year. This year, we have decided not to get together with big family, and that's been a really hard decision, but hopefully next year we can go back to that. But anyway, take care, everyone. I love you all, and have a good one.